Well, hey there guys, how you all doing today? Welcome to another episode here on the Griffin Benchmark channel. My name's Paul, and I am the guy that tailors and crafts all these awesome videos for your viewing pleasure. And today I'm going to bring you another awesome video about giving my middle boy, his first knife, my middle boy Thomas. And so what we have here is a Leatherman Micra, and this Leatherman Micra is a USA Made Micra. It's about 10 or 12 years old. I've had it for a long time now. And what got me thinking to do all this was I've been carrying this lately. While I've got my Benchmade 940 sent off to Oregon City for warranty service and Life Sharp service, I decided to go ahead and get a new blade, and so I started carrying this one and a few of my other old pocket knives around, some Kershaws and Bucks and stuff like that. And as I was carrying this one, Thomas was really taking a lot of interest in it, and I decided that it'd be a good first knife for him. He's going to be 8 here pretty soon, and anyway, it's a good little multi-tool. Not real hep on multi-tools, but this little guy here, I always kind of considered it more of a hygienical tool. It's got tweezers there, as you can see, and a little Phillips head screwdriver, can opener, and I mean, this one is actually one that I really enjoy. I carried it around with a pocket knife for a lot of years. And to be honest, I've enjoyed carrying it around, in the last month or so a little bit. It's got some, some fingernail stuff there. The scissors on this are, when I first bought it, they were razor sharp. They're still extremely sharp, and they'll clip your fingernails like nobody's business. It's got a smaller blade on it there. The smaller blade on it is actually one of the reasons that I really like this knife for Thomas. It's not, I don't think a boy needs a Bowie knife for their first knife. Well, maybe in the 70s they did, but it's not socially acceptable anymore, I suppose. But I don't really care about that either. But anyway, it's a good little knife. He's a utilitarian kid, and it fits his personality. And here's a shot of that leather sheath, all finished up. Spoiler alert. In the beginning of the video here, but I didn't catch any of the wet forming process or the stitching process, but or the lanyard process, but you can kind of see the end results here, and stick around to the end of the video and you'll get to see me present it to Thomas. He was more than excited. The friction fits pretty good on it here, as you can see. It's not perfect, but it's not too darn bad. I think this turned out pretty good. I'm not a master leather craftsman or anything, but I think this turned out alright. So yeah, anyway, stick around till the end. Thomas is pretty happy with it. So all you dads out there, comment below, tell me what you think about giving this to your boy for a first knife. Alright, here we go. Enjoy the video. Okay, so I got you something.
What?
Well, correction. I made you something.
Oh.
You ready for it?
Yes.
All right. From Dad to son. From me to you, buddy.
I've been waiting for years to have this.
That's all yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is the best gift in my life.
I hope you like it. So you put this on your belt. You have your belt on?
Oh, not today.
Go get your belt. We'll put it on for you.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna want to do, get your belt on.
I don't want anyone to see my belly button.
Okay, so this is how you do it. You usually want it to go between your first and second belt loop on whatever side you're carrying it on.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put between your first and second belt loop here.
Oh my gosh, this is my first time ever having a real knife.
Yeah. Let's put the knife all back together. Show them how it works.
So you put it like this, and then put it together.
There it is. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video today. Just wanted to put it out there.
Wait, I want to get in the picture.
All right.
It's me, Turbo Thomas. Don't you remember me?
It's me, Griffin Benchmark with Turbo Thomas.
The two different channels combined.
That's right, Turbo Thomas 10.
And I just got my first knife.
And your first sheath. Hey, there it is. Stick it in there, show them how it works. All right. Okay, say bye. Say bye, everybody.
My hand's kind of blocking her hand.
That's all right. Say bye, Wyatt. Say bye. Okay.
Oh my gosh, I